Tita, tita. Hey, what happened? Hey, what happened to you all? All. Uh, uh, we are bold. Our friend called us into marriage, but we couldn't go. Hey, but why? I gave you permission, but the taxi, and now the party even started, Mom. It's why. So what should we do? Idea. I have some things for you. Just wait. Ta-ta! See, this is the doll, so you all could play. Oh yeah, let's start. This is a little bit hard. I need help of Sida. This I thought this is a piece of cake, but this is the biggest uneasy thing. So see, it looks so much pretty, but there's tape in her head. She doesn't look good with the tape in her head. Scissors, help, please. And the tape, help. Take the tape out. Just wait a second. I'm going to throw this. Don't worry for me. But we also want some sisters. We have to wait a second. First, let us open that. Okay. We need patience. Always. Ouch! I'm going to sit here and you sit in the other side. Oh, that's rude. But okay. Why are you irritating me? Shh. So let's wait for it to come. Hey, why are you looking in the side? I'm looking to mommy. Mommy, I mean. You said mommy, Bob. And let me also see me. So see how beautiful this is. Silly. I'm a real human like you all. Okay, come on. See, this is a real human. We can talk in real life. Come sit with me. Oh yeah. Now you want sisters? Ta-ta. Wow, some LOL sisters just like us. Wow, amazing. This is LOL. These are the normal sisters. But we need some OMGs. Our biggest sisters. They are important for us. Right, Mom? Yup, it up. So let's wait. Until we are waiting, we can invite a new guest. Oh, Mom, where will our new sisters sit? From where will they sit? See, they're here. Now I think we need them. See. Oh, look, their feet are over there. Look, we have. This is metal. And these all have metal, so we need a type of scissors help. Scissors help me help it the Rubik's. So come on, can we decide right now where will our new sister sit? A spider! Help! This is not a spider, silly. Hey, that's rude. See what is this stuff? This is not a spider. Hey, look, the first doll came by herself. I'm not a doll. Oh, she's my sister. No, I also have two buns. She is mine. I think she can be both of yours. Because all the sisters are all of you, not only ones. So where should she sit? So we could see her. Hey, you cheated! You ran away. But it's okay. You said you can run. Okay, hey, this is a new sister. Okay, I'm going to join them. Oh, we have two moms. Yuppie duck. Always coming up. Hey. Yuppie dup, always coming up. Hey, you always say that when you come somewhere. Come on, kids. 3 of you come up. Okay, you all came. Okay, now let them sit. Where? Over there. Duppy queen. Queenie queen. Always coming. Hey, where should she? Ah, she can sit over here. So all of you, be honest. On this board, I'm going to sit over here because I like around the most. Hey, Jeannie, where do you want to sit, mommy? I don't suppose I want to sit here. This is the fluffiest place ever. And without you, cozy babe. Cozy, my name is cozy. Don't call me babe. So I'm going to sit over here. And me, I'm going to really sit in this. Hey, yikes, don't need to shout. So let's start the birthday party. What about the decoration? Decoration, this is the decoration. Huh? Ouch, that was rude, you lady. Hey, that was rude from you. Okay, let's get dressed. I'm going to get dressed. Hey, wait for me. Kids, make sure you all are fine. Okay, you big sisters take care of the small ones. I'm bored. Hey, that was yikes. Let's play something. Let's play magic. Nope. Hey, yikes. No need to shout, you all. Yeah. Thank you. That was so much nice and rude from you. Nope, it wasn't. Can you speak like me? Yep. Everyone can speak. Okay. We are all bored. Let's play hide. Idea. Let's play hide and seek. Let's play rock paper scissors. Who won? She will count. Okay, come on. Start. Hey, so I'm the winner. I will count the always coming up. Let me go and count over there. 1. But wait, till where? I know. Till 40. That's easy, but slowly. What? Are you serious? Slowly. Yep. Now go count. 1, 2, 3. Wait a second. First, let us start the game. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Count it 100, okay. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Wait, let's start again. But why? Because it's packed. Because I speak. But there's no space to hide. We have some spaces. I guess. Dingy dangy dong. Dong ding dangy dong. Hey, what happened here, girls? We want to hide, but can you help us to hide? Hey, one of you is missing. There were total 4. Oh, one is counting. Oh no. Stop counting. Count till 100 and when I say start. Come with me. Come with me, you girl. You have to hide. Now, next, you come. Can you start counting? Okay, 1, 2, come. Be fast. Don't hide us in the same places. I won't. And everybody is counting and hiding by themselves. But I know you should hide with me. That was cheating. I just came up. You just started it up. So where should I hide? Okay, come. Hide down this with her. Okay, here you go. Good. What about you all little girls? Come with me. We are not little. Come. Ouch! Come. You and you girl. Ow! Go inside that you little girl. It is fault. I'm not going there. So then you three should hide with the other sisters. Oh yes. Hey, we are done. Come on, what were you doing over there, scared? I'm also playing, but remember you put me over there? Oh no, that was the wrongest place. So, you need to maybe come with me. Hide under this tower. I'm sitting, I'm not going to help you. Okay, wait a second, you keep counting. Okay, you count, but wait a second, keep counting. And when I clap you will hear my voice, right? Yep, I'm also hiding, then you have to find us all. Okay, count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here I come. I can hear some voices from here. Come on, you all are up. So help me find the others. But why? We know where the others are hiding. So it would be easy for you to find them. It's why no helping.
You got all of us.
So go sit over there. Okay. Come on, that's rude. You wanted us. Why did you caught us? You know we are still child. It is okay. Come on, you naughty girl. And you. Hey, that's rude. Don't pick me up. And me. Don't pick me up also. I'm a big girl. I can walk. Me too. I can also walk. I'm going. Make sure you don't fall. Hey, where should I be? So now, Elsley, there are some more to find. I got you, girl. Hey, that was rude. Let's check inside this. Okay, put it back and you sit.
Oh, I'm hurt.
Ouch! You just hurted me. You are a rude, eh? You are a rude. Okay,
I'm not.
Hey, someone fall down. Let me check. Really, I found you. Okay, how are you finding all this? Because I'm good at hide and seek. Let me go find our mothers. Okay, wait a second over here. You guys, you all check after them, and you all check after them. Big ones check after the little ones. Okay, I'm coming right now. Hey, wait, what? You are also big ones. So look after them. No, I'm going to find the others. Come on, mommy. Come on. Why have I done so much less? Come on. We both are found on. They are found us. Now just the teenager. Who? Hey, we have one teenager sister. Let me go find her. Come on. She's good at seeking. So bye guys. So bye bye. See you next time in playing hide and seek. Not with us. Bye.